So people, Wales nice. Me like Wales.
You not see the phone.
I'm not getting it.
I see, but I not see it on the camera this again.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you know, it's your girl Shawee. And Shawee wake up in Wales this morning. You would have seen the vlog before telling you that I'm moving to Wales. Yes, so I'm actually visiting my friend Shanessa. You'd have seen her from some of the vlogs before. Yes, she's come to England to see me a couple occasions. So yeah man, so me have to come Wales come see her too. So yeah man, you have to do the do. Oh people, as you know, yesterday was so hectic. I got here late, very late. What should have been a 4 to 5 hour journey was like, oh my god. How much hour later? Shanessa, you hear me? She not hear me. She in the kitchen cook up a storm. So guys, I'm in the kitchen. And Shanessa is cooking up a storm, as I told you before. She's cooking up a storm, guys. Well, I'll show you what I'm having. I'm not going to show you the pot, you know. No, me just show you when everything done. Because she claims I mustn't vlog her. You know, she don't have no problem with the vlog people. She do her thing. And you know, a girl over there a cook, but me tell you, say girl a cook up a starve, you know. Me excited bad.
On the first lockdown when they say no food. Yes, girl. I the
Shall
only...
give me expire mark.
It don't expire. It don't expire.
People you don't say a joke we are make. Yeah.
I find them the time because almost all my canned food them up there is from that time.
What you not eat, man? When you don't eat breeze? Got have good thing mackerel up there and not eating mackerel.
Anything we dropping at the mouth, but mostly a junk. Alright, drink this one, yeah.
This one, they say I want to piece me that eat and me eat half all I eat.
Yeah, eat half all I eat, yes.
Me eat my share already, people, so one more, me probably go get.
Not a thing enough is here. Not a thing enough is here.
You look good and it tastes good, Shanessa. You go on with yourself. You need to marry soon, you can get one husband. Yeah, you deserve one husband for this. Guys, so there you have it, my tin mackerel. Look on presentation, people. The girl do herself good in her kitchen this morning. Tin mackerel and mixed veg with our naan. Watch out. I'll get it on tray, yeah? So may I live life today? No, I don't want no drinks. May I drink the tea?
You want blended fruit punch or whatever?
Shanessa, me can't manage so much something. I start eat already, I couldn't wait. Spicy and nice. And the naan is actually very soft. I don't know what should I worry about naan now go soft enough. Soft, soft, soft.
One eternity later.
So guys, we're finally out of the house from morning. What time is it now, Shanessa?
Probably 5.
5 o'clock and it's totally dark. Look, 5 o'clock. 5?
11 minutes past 5.
Yeah.
Massive.
But then people they want to say hello to the vlog. Say hello. No, one of them look back at that smile, but yeah, alright, me cut them out. Okay, so yes guys, we're at the range and in here is feeling pretty much Christmassy. So this is the store that we get all what Shanessa. You feel tell me what we get in here so you know camera come arrange like me have money.
If you have a home, you can decorate every single room in here. They have really, really nice things.
Shanessa in here pretty.
I know. Top off here.
Oh, she chopped off her hair, people. I'm going to insert a picture of how her hair was before. Long.
Them have nice stuff.
Oh God, but in here, so Shanessa,
I know. That's why I'm telling you, when you talk about things, you know, I'm laugh at you. You need to come arrange. They have nice stuff.
They do. I'm gonna flip the camera and show you guys. Yeah. Look at all of this, guys. In here is beautiful for all your home decor. It's what, like £15? Cost money. A bit on the pricey side, but wow. In here pretty Shanessa, me like in
They
here.
have nice things, honestly. If me could just like worry, but they're Jamaican, we don't shop and just
Yeah.
we don't shop and just decorate the house.
Them
They
almost
have
this.
really nice, it's nice, and it's the quality is good as
The
well.
quality is good.
And,
Cause even look what,
Yes.
yo, me love this.
yeah, me that's what me call it, and like they
Yeah.
have sale from time to time.
What me come in here so me get red eye know people. Me love things. So me feel like me don't want everything in here, so
They have nice stuff, man.
they're spark and that's what I like. They're sparkly. Oh god,
Yeah, I
Shanessa.
know.
And Shanessa, this is a nice store you live inside of. All of this time. And me I go to Primark like I said me
I
hot.
told you about range, and I said you always talk, and I said, you know, I've got gone to ranges yet. So
Oh my.
look at that photo of London. I think London Square.
Oh yes, they have nice paintings and look on the one. Me love the one over
You
there.
don't see
So
nothing yet. You need to go around the
no, so
side.
me I get dizzy in here. Me want everything.
One bar from here, so I said we don't.
Yes, man.
You have good, nice things.
But I've never heard about any. Well, where I am staying, I don't see any range or anything like that.
I
So
always mention it. I say,
me know you always mention it, but me not have none there with me there. Cause all this nice too. Me like everything. And them are pretty though.
that looks like one candle.
Yeah, like them tea tree hole or something. They're very nice, guys. Hold on, Shanessa. I get excited now. Really excited, guys. Look at the quality stuff. Oh my, this is pretty. This is so pretty. Furniture knobs. I don't even know if you turn the camera right now because everything in here so look good. Look at this. This beautiful piece right here. How much for it? £15. Oh god. It's really nice. Ooh. Very nice. I like this. If me did have space, me carry this with me. But I can't buy anything else. Can't buy anything else. I did buy something like this already, but it was a smaller one. Guys, what you think about all of these items? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Oh, also same set of stuff on this side. But if you really want to decorate your house, if you have that fine style and all of that, if you want if you really have an expensive taste and you really want your house to look really nice, so they range from silver and gold and what they call this now is red gold or rose gold. So if you're into rose gold, because this is really looking nice, depends on the theme that you're going with. And yeah, all of those candles, it's really a nice store. All of them look a decorative thing down there, your arcade. So if you really want to decorate your house, home decor, this is a store that you'd really want to come to. And it's the range. Charms, 3 for £5. If you're into charms, because it's Christmas season, look at all the lights over there. Oh my god. Look here people, me like this store here. The range have a buzz. I hear some me should that they come do all of my shopping. It's just a pity. Me come in here and me want everything me want in here. So your girl don't have no money. No money. The people, Wales nice. Me like Wales. Wales, yeah.
Here long enough.
Well, I like the store. I like the range. Yeah. Because in here is like sparkling and I like sparkly stuff. You know?
You see, it's too fast.
Alright, so you're afraid to go up on it? Well, she took brave and come up, you know.
Really?
Let us see how brave.
No, if you're cheap.
Take your time. Lisa, take your time. Come on, pass it through, but you manage. Just step. After 2. 1.
Yeah, give me anxiety.
Alright, when you're ready. Come on, pass it through.
Now that I tell you, I hit my queen first on the seat and me hold up the line right here, so
Well, when they want to go on, then not follow me then, no? Don't follow me, stay up there. Should I move on now, no people? As I said, I wasn't going to buy anything, but I'm in the area where you can get like your towels and like your bathroom mats. So I've picked up 2 bathroom mats here. I've been looking some pink ones from the other day, but I saw them but not in this texture. I like this texture, and this is like £6.99 each, so I took 2 of them. I'm seeing some other ones as well, but I'm working with my budget. Well, I really didn't have a budget working with, because I really never planned to come and buy nothing but my seat, and I want it, so I'm gonna go buy it. So now it's the time for me to find Shawee, so I don't know where she is. I just picked up 2 mats. I'm loving the color. The color is pretty. Shanessa? Shanessa? I'm not seeing her. You know me loud in my people in the store. Have no inhibition whatsoever. Shanessa? We see her now, people, but things that she last. No, you never hear me. I call you then.
yeah, what can I look for you?
You didn't hear me when you never hear me? Alright, so I take 2 mats. Okay, so the queue's a bit long here, guys. So we're waiting in the queue. And the next stop is where? Aldi's.
Yeah.
So there's an Aldi nearby. So she has everything pretty much close to home, while I have to take bus and Uber. As you all know how I do. I swear in another life I was rich. In another life, people.
Maybe in another life she was poor. That's why she's spending so much time.
Oh my god, I'd want to spend so much more than this, but not the money, people. Okay, so we're just going to Aldi's then, right?
Yeah, and then we'll go to get some food.
And then we're going to get some food, people. And we're doing what, buffet style?
I think it's buffet style. I've never actually had a main meal from that before.
Oh,
That restaurant before.
okay.
It's just...
So you know who excited people, anything we have to do with
I mean, I don't
food.
cook good, but I hear people eat there, and but you know, you can't really
You can't
take the
really
British.
depend on them.
Exactly.
Lord God.
Unless
Because
you-
they're not used to the season business at all.
Exactly.
We're in Aldi's at the moment, guys. And she's treating me for whatever I want. So you
Even
know.
at Wales, Aldi's still the best, you know.
Yes. Actually, man, Aldi
Come
price
to
them good.
England, go to Aldi.
Go to Aldi's.
Don't try to.
But I go to Tesco.
You
Tesco
can
used to
go-
down my money in the first part, because I never know better.
The rich people go to.
Rich people go to Tesco. Or when you need certain items, because you know sometimes you need things from the international aisle or something like that. Like the ackee and the saltfish. You wouldn't get those kind of items inside Aldi. But we're talking about different accent in Ghana, I know enough people. So we're talking about potato wedges, and there's a simple way I found out how to do it instead of like buying it from the supermarket or
I
whatever.
don't have no microwave, so I can't microwave it.
Oh, sorry. So like I pop it into the microwave for a few minutes, and then I deep fry it, and it's cooked properly and very nice after seasoning.
So expensive.
What that? Fish?
Can you tell me some of those? You know what, maybe this is a piece.
So they don't really have no fish market there nearby, not sure.
It's what kind of market is that?
No, exactly. No, me
It's
I
when I done-
like I say.
I told you, miss.
Remember saying
No,
them nearer to the
certain
stuff them where
things.
that's the one I buy sometimes and I wrap it in foil. I go do it for you. Buy the one them, I go do it for you. It's an Irish and you have no cock soup at home?
Yeah, only.
Or you have cock soup?
Only.
Choo-choo? Let me say I make one pepper soup tomorrow. You want soup? You say
You
you
have done food in a soup. No, what are you doing? They're going to make you.
What? Fried fish and chips?
No. Where you come from? Go fried chicken.
I don't know. I see you taking up fish. And you take up wedges.
No. Steamed fish.
Oh, you have peppers?
Yes. Look a bit left in the fridge.
Well, good. I go start out the fish
But we
here.
have no potato.
We're checking out now, guys. And the guys are heading to the restaurant now. Shanisa said that she wanted to eat here for quite some time.
So they have
So-
one stay upon the head of me.
We're gonna check it out. So let's see what's inside, guys. Come on in. So you know, guys,
There we
it's
go.
time for me to eat. I'm a bit excited.
So you're not even ordering it. You're not even look at the menu. miss.
I've ordered.
You're not
Embarrass me.
ordered.
I look on the menu yet, people. I'm getting geared up because basically, yeah, I was just setting up the vlog stick so that I could get a proper view. And of course, yeah, I was just fixing up, people.
Alright, let me see what's going on.
So, have you got any ideas of what you want to choose?
I'm looking. It's gonna take me a while, but I'll get there.
Okay. We have quite a few choices here. Shalisa is still deciding what she's going to have. I'm not getting it. I see, but then I see this on the camera. This again.
Nah, sure.
Okay, guys. So we're not going to put anything in there. You have to cut it out. No, I won't have to put anything in there because we have come to the end of another vlog, guys. Hope you would have enjoyed this video. Yes, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until then, I'm your girl Shawee saying peace out.